If you find yourself with just enough money in your bank account to last until Friday, only to face the same situation on Monday, you're not alone. Food, bills, rent, and gas consume every bit of your take-home pay. However, it doesn't have to be this hard. With a few smart moves, you could supplement your income without taking on extra work or a side job. Here's what to do. Win up to $250 playing this fun viral game. Curious about earning up to $250? You might wonder if it's worth your time or even legitimate. The truth is that playing games on your phone can be a real way to earn money, especially with Solitaire Smash, a popular solitaire-style game that pays up to $250 per win. While it won't make you rich, it's a great way to earn extra cash while relaxing on the couch or lying in bed. Download the app for free and start playing during your downtime to earn up to $250 with each win. Cash out using PayPal or Apple Pay whenever you want. Maximize your earnings with this cashback account. If you're not using the Discover registered trademark cashback debit checking account, you could be missing out on up to $360 a year. To start earning, you need to fund your account within 45 days of opening it. With this FDIC-insured account, you can earn 1% cash back on up to $3,000 in debit card purchases each month. Don't miss this opportunity. Fund your account to start earning cash back instantly. Get help paying off your tax debt. Past due tax debt can be overwhelming, causing anxiety and emotional stress, especially with IRS letters threatening wage garnishment. Alleviate Tax is designed to help you get out of tax debt faster and may even reduce what you owe. Unlike other tax companies, Alleviate Tax communicates directly with the IRS to assist you in paying off your debt more quickly. Note: to qualify, you must owe more than $10,000 in past due taxes. Earn up to $83 playing this exciting bingo game. Bingo Cash is a fun twist on the classic game. Play bingo and earn real cash when you win. While it won't make you rich, you can compete in quick tournaments during your downtime. To date, the game has paid out over $5 million. Download Bingo Cash for free and request to cash out your winnings securely via PayPal, Apple Pay, or directly to your bank account. Eliminate over $20,000 in credit card debt. Credit card debt can be suffocating, leaving you feeling drained. Accredited Debt Relief helps you get out of credit card debt faster and for less, without drastic lifestyle changes. Sign up for a free quote to learn how much you can save. They can assist you in paying off your debt and calculating reduced monthly payments. Save big on home repairs with this warranty. Choice Home Warranty could save you hundreds on home repairs. With affordable plans covering appliances and systems, you could save a lot of money. For example, if your air conditioning unit breaks down, instead of paying $1,500 for repairs, you may only pay a $100 service fee. Choose a plan to get started, and whenever a covered system breaks down, just file a claim online or call their 24/7 support team. Transfer balances with no interest until 2026. Imagine having 21 months of intro 0% APR on balance transfers. The Citi Diamond Preferred Card is one of the best options for getting out of high-interest credit card debt. You can transfer high-interest debt to this card and enjoy 0% intro APR for 21 months, saving you hundreds in interest. Plus, there's no annual fee. Access your paycheck early without fees. If you need a little extra cash between paychecks, the Earnin app allows you to access up to $100 per day of your paycheck, up to $750 per pay period, without any membership fees. You can even choose to tip what you think is fair for Earnin services, even $0. There's no credit check, interest, or late fees. Earn up to $33 while using your iPhone. Believe it or not, you can turn your phone time into cash with the iPhone game 21 Cash. Compete in virtual, skill-based blackjack and earn real money every time you win, up to $33. Download the app for free and start earning money during the time you already spend on your phone.